In this question, we're told the pie charts show the proportion of boys to girls in Class A and Class B. And just looking at the pie chart here, this first one here, Class A, I can see that 1/4 must be boys, because this is a quarter of a circle here, so 3/4 must be girls here. In Class B, I can see that the proportion of boys is higher. In fact, if I looked at that, I'd say that is 1/3 of the circle, and then the girls would be 2/3. Now I can prove this by measuring the angles. This angle here is 90 degrees, I can clearly see that, but this angle here, if I measured it with a protractor, would be 120 degrees. 120 out of 360 is 1/3, so that would be how you prove it with a protractor. We're told that there are more pupils in Class B than in Class A, and we're then told that there are 4 boys in Class A, that there are 1.5 times as many girls in Class B than in Class A. How many boys are there in Class B? Pause the video and have a go at the question, and in a moment I'll start talking through how I would answer this in a GCSE exam. Okay, going into the question here then. We're told from the question that there are 4 boys in Class A. So if that is 1/4 is equal to 4 people, then the girls are 3/4 of what is left. So 3/4 must be 3 times as much. So there must have been 12 people, or 12 represented in here. So we've dealt with that bit there. It then tells me that there are 1.5 times as many girls in Class B than in Class A. So I want to do 12, the number of girls in Class A, multiplied by 1.5. Now, this was a non-calculator question, so I need to do this without a calculator. So I don't know the answer to 12 times by 1.5, but I will know the answer to 12 times 1, and I also know the answer to 12 times 2, it's 24. So 12 times by 1.5 must be in the middle of that, so that would be 18. So there are 18 girls in Class B. So I've dealt with that bit there. We're then asked to work out how many boys there would be in Class B. Well, coming back to what I originally said, which is that this is 1/3, so then this is 2/3. If I did split that there, that 18 now would be split with 9 and 9 there, and that's what 1/3 is, so the boys must also be 9. So if I just come out of my solution there, you can see the writing that I wrote here. 1/4 is equal to 4. That represents the 4 boys being 1/4 of the circle. So therefore there's 4 boys. So the girls are 3/4, so 3 times as much. So 3/4 must be 12. Then I did the 12 times by 1.5 to get 18. Now that's 2/3 of the circle is equal to 18. The boys are 1/3, so if 2/3 are 18, then 1/3 must be half of that. So that's how I got 9.